Hi, in this video I will show you how to create WhatsApp group only admin can post. So if you want to create a group type in which only admin can post, no other user will able to send a message or post anything, so you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all you have to create a group like you create groups normally on the WhatsApp, and after that you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the group info, and here you will see multiple options. Simply you have to click on the group settings, and you will see different options. Simply you have to click on the send message, and in the send message you have to select only admins and click on the OK. So now you only admin can send a message to this group. No other user will be able to send message or any other post on in this group. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.